First, let's install the dashboard overlay trim. Simply peel off the 3M adhesive backing. Carefully align the cover with your dashboard. Once aligned, firmly press the overlay for at least 10 seconds, applying even pressure to secure the adhesive. Next, we'll install the air vent lower trim. The process is exactly the same. Peel the backing, align carefully, and firmly press for 10 seconds to ensure a strong bond. Finally, let's install the dashboard upper cover trim. Just like the others, peel the backing, align precisely, and apply firm pressure for 10 seconds. Upgrade your Tesla today with Tesery's high-quality carbon fiber accessories.